Warm greetings, your Korean uncle here in Holland. I have here with me the ampalaya that I sowed a month ago, and they look healthy. I'm really happy with the result. Look at them, beautiful. I'll be showing you in this short tutorial how to sow ampalaya from seeds, because ampalaya can be one of the most difficult seeds to sow or to germinate because of their hard shells. Step by step, and the tricks and tips here on Channel 1. Join me and I'll show you.
You're watching the gardening series of Channel 1. Browse through the playlist or click on the eye icon above for cooking and travel. Step 1. Soak the ampalaya seeds overnight in warm water, approximately 50 degrees Celsius. That is 122 degrees Fahrenheit for our North American viewers. Some even suggest boiling water, but I don't do it. I don't believe boiling water is needed. Just warm water enough to soften the shells. And drain the water the next morning and wrap your seeds with moistened kitchen roll or toilet paper. Thick enough. And then you may want to double the paper. The thicker the better. Place it in a plastic bag. You need a plastic bag to retain the moisture. And find a warm place to accelerate the germination. I have here a modem. It's always warm, so I'll put it here. If you have a warm or heated germinator, you can use it. Visit your seeds after 3 days. Surprise! Surprise, surprise! Look at that. After just 3 days, these seeds sprouted. Unbelievable. Just 3 days, thanks to the heat. Now let's plant the sprouted seeds into the ground. No, not ground, but compost. Multi-purpose compost will do. Small pots. I'm using coffee cups for this purpose. They're small and big enough. Not to mention they should have holes for drainage. Very gently, as much as possible, avoid touching these roots. I included paper here because the roots already attached to the paper. Put them at a sunny place, preferably the windowsill, where it's warm. And don't forget to give them a drench. It's early March, so the sun is still low, so we can supplement the sunlight with LED grow lights, like what I have here, to prevent them from being leggy. And after a week, this is what we have. And next to it are the tomatoes. Give them at least 16 hours of light. If you don't have full sun. 2 weeks. And this is week 4. You can transplant them when the ground temperature reaches above 20 degrees Celsius. This has been Romilo of Channel 1. Thank you for joining me today. I hope you've learned something. Grow, cook, and share. Until next time, Dios te bendiga. And if you enjoyed watching, don't forget to subscribe, share, and click that bell icon so that you get notified with every gardening and cooking episodes that we have. Fridays, Pinoy food, and Mondays, international food. Wednesdays, live streaming or gardening. And if travel is your preference, consider watching My Barrio, My Mundo.